Hey guys, and welcome back to my nail journal. So you guys voted on Instagram which collection you want to see next, and Dahlia Customs got the most. So once again, we're going to pull everything out of the drawer. Well, I just broke one trying to pull the drawer out, so ignore that the rest of the video. This is also a color from Dahlia, which you'll see at some point. I'm out of breath, sorry. So yeah, right as I was pulling the drawer out. Okay, so keep in mind that Dahlia Customs is still kind of new to me, so I haven't worn a lot of these colors yet. Some of them I have worn, and I'll show the pictures to the manis of the ones that I have done, but just keep in mind she's still kind of new to me. So the first one we have here is Lilith, and this looks purple, but I believe when I wore it, it was a deep, deep red. And I'll show you the swatch to that. Okay, no, Lilith is more purple. It's another one that I was thinking is a deep red. But yeah, this is a really dark purple. I haven't worn this one yet. The one I was thinking of was Drusilla, which we'll get to in a minute. So then we have Eleanor. And this one I got to go with Dusty Rose. I haven't worn these yet, but I have plans to. Let me show you the swatches for them. They're just really pretty fall colors. So if you like Dusty Rose colors, I highly recommend this one. Eleanor is like a foil, and it's really easy to work with. I love these. Then we have Destiny. I haven't worn this one yet, but this is also a nice purple color. And Dreamer. So this is the one that I have on my nails, and it changes to purple in the sunlight. Let me get the swatches for those, and I'll show you the picture of my mani wearing Dreamer before it broke. Here is Destiny, and Destiny would go really well with Pampered. I haven't shown you Pampered yet, but it's a really pretty glitter. That glitter can go with a lot of colors, actually. And then the swatch for Dreamer, the glitters in this are so pretty. My light is really bright, so it's washing a lot of it out. But you'll see by the mani picture. Then we have Exploration, another pretty glitter. And Day Trip, which is a great pink that would go with that Pampered one. So then this is that Pampered glitter right here. So let me show you the swatches for Exploration, and Day Trip. And these are more like summer colors. I won this collection actually in a giveaway. So this is Day Trip and Exploration. And the other color with that collection is First Class, another pink. Let me show you the one for that real quick. See, First Class is just a really nice pink. So they go well with like all of these colors. These next three are the first ones I ever got from her, and it was one of my favorite manis of all time. It was the perfect mani to start off fall. So we have Livy, which is a great green, and then Harvest. This is a gorgeous foil, and she has a new foil that just came out called Voodoo, which I'll show you. And it's similar to Harvest, but it's a lot darker and more like appropriate for the Halloweenish time. And then Pumpkin Puree is a great pumpkin orange. And as you can see by the mani that I'm showing you, that was just one of my favorite manis ever. The swatches for Pumpkin Puree, Harvest, and Livy. And all three of them just go really well together because Harvest has some of the green foils in there with it. Then we have some from the Midnight collection, which is out right now too. So we have Midnight Velvet and Midnight Princess. I'll show you the swatches to these. They're really dark with different colored glitters. So Midnight Velvet has those deep dark purples, and Midnight Princess has the more deeper pink glitters. And Drusilla, this is the one that in the jar it kind of looks purple, but when it's on, it's a really deep blood red. And then Ghastly is a really fun color. This is a temp changer, and it goes from like a deep purple, almost black, to, I'll show you. There's the swatches, and I'll show you in the picture of my mani, you'll see the color change of Ghastly. It's also a foil. It has reds and pinks in there and purples. It's a really fun color. And then Conjure I wore with Drusilla and Ghastly. This is a great Halloween glitter. It's that purple, and it has all the oranges and the reds and yellows. There's the swatch for Conjuring. Again, just a really great Halloween glitter. And then these next four are on her website, but they're new to me, so I haven't had a chance to wear them yet. But we have Touchdown. This is a really pretty yellow. Saphira. This is a great teal color. Really pretty for the fall. And then this one is not labeled, but this is her Glitter Dazzle. And this is Voodoo. So this is that foil that's kind of similar to Harvest, but it's way darker than Harvest. I'll show you the swatches. So there is Dazzle, Saphira, Voodoo, and Touchdown. All three of these colors I plan on wearing together because I think they'd go great. But also these two go great together. And then anyone that's never ordered from her website before, she has a code right in the beginning of the website where with your first purchase you can pick out a free cuticle oil pen. You just put it in your cart, and then before you go to checkout you put in that code and it'll take the price of the cuticle oil pen off. That's like my favorite scent ever though. You want to talk about the perfect fall cuticle oil scent, pumpkin pie is what you need to get. There you go. There's the Dahlia Customs collection. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to go on my Instagram because I'll have another voting system up of which one to see next. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.